Hello and welcome to the Home and Learn video course for visualbasic.net. I'm Kenny Carney, and what are we going to do in this lesson? Let's have a look. What did we do last time? Adding menus to forms. That's just, we've done that one. File dialog, we've done that. Let's do this one. Insert images into a picture box, and we can use our same form. If you haven't got any images, you can download a few from here. Download the images. But I'm sure you've got your own images. Let's have a look at the coding window. This is what we had last time. Go back to the form on here, and I want you to add a picture box. Picture box. So we'll collapse that one. Go back to Common Controls and locate picture box. You can double click. There it is. It's not spectacular. You can change the size of this one. You've got the properties, expand size. It's 100 by 50 by default. Let's change it to, how can we change it to 200 by 200? 200 by 200. Yeah, I think that should be okay. What else can we do? There is a size mode as well here. Size mode. Default is normal, but you can stretch the image, auto size, center image in the picture box, zoom. Let's see what auto size does. Right, and we'll leave it on the default picture box one. Go back to your coding window, and for this, what we're going to do we'll select a file from the show file dialog box, the open file dialog box rather, and then whichever image file we'll choose will end up in the picture box. So the only thing we need to do is to get rid of all these filters we've got set up, and we can insert some image filters instead. Some image filters. Let's have a look. So you want JPEG. That's an image type, right? And you want your straight line, your asterisk dot jpg, yeah. And if you had another line, GIF images as well, GIF. And what else do we need? Yes, another straight line, I think. Asterisk dot GIF, not H. Another straight line. There's bitmap images as well, isn't there? Bitmaps. Another straight line. Asterisk. This is tricky, this bit. I hope I've got it all right. Let me test it to see whether I have actually got that right. Start with a debugging. File open. Take a look. Yeah, so there's the filter box, JPEGs, GIFs. Let's see the GIFs one. Yeah, I've got two there. Bitmaps. I've got some bitmaps as well. If I clicked open now, select picture 5. Open. Right, and then we've got see users can documents pic5.jpg. That is the file path. So we can use that one for the picture box. Instead of having the message box there, it is something new here. So picture box 1, this is what the default name was. Then you want to dot an image, because there's an image property. Wait a minute, let me go back to the form and I'll show you where that is. Make sure your picture box is selected. So the property we're trying to get at is this one, image. If you were to click the button there, you could select a resource there, but we're doing it all with code. Go back to our coding window. Right, image, and you want equal sign. This is a tricky image. And there's a dot, then there's a from file. Then you want a pair of round brackets, and it's the name of that file that we saw earlier from the dialog box. Selected file name, that's the one we want. Right, so we've got open fd.file name. That's going to be placed into here. And we're using that file name between the round brackets of from file. Right. Hopefully you'll see an image appear. File. Open. Pick one. Open. And there it is. It's a bit that auto size, but there's yeah, it's not terribly good, is it? On auto size. What else was there? I think it's because the images are too big. Is that size mode? Size mode. Normal. See what normal was. Start. Open. Oh, this is normal. Ooh. So it's kept the size of 200. It's only got a little tiny little bit of the image. See what else there was. Stretch image. Debug. Start. Open. Picture one. Maybe that's a little bit better. It's stretching in all of the image. Let me try another image. Yeah. Let me try another one of these. Stretch image. What was center image? Yeah. Open. Picture one. Open. Ooh, that's not very good at all. The best one that worked there. Stretch image, wasn't it? Let's see some of the other images, if we can get a smaller image there. Could, of course, just change the size of the picture box. What have we got in GIFs? Yep. Let's try some penguins. There's all the penguins in the image box. So another thing you can do with these picture boxes is not margin, one of the properties here, border style. It's none at the moment. Click on border style. Oops, click that. Fix single. See what that looks like. When form is running, let's fix single. So you actually get a frame around it. Let me try bitmaps again. Try that bike. Okay, so you can see black frame around it. There's also border style, fixed 3D. This is kind of sunken border. There's the sunken border. Open. Bitmap. Let's have do not enter. And there's the sunken border. Right, so if you wanted to use code to place an image in an image box, a picture box, then it's image.fromFile and selected file name, whichever file name you've got. Right, I think that's enough for this tutorial. I will see you in the next one.